Tired of cleaning floors the old way? The best robot mops of 2025 are smarter, stronger, and cleaner than ever. Some even wash and dry their own mops. Whether you've got pets, kids, or just love spotless floors with zero effort, this list has you covered. Let's check out the smartest cleaning bots of the year. Links are pinned below. Dreame X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. This is a true flagship in the robot mop category. With a mind-blowing 20,000 Pascal suction power, it doesn't just vacuum. It deep cleans carpets and hard floors with ease. What really stands out is its auto-empty and mop self-cleaning dock that washes the mop pads with hot water, dries them, and even refills the tank automatically. The 360-degree LiDAR navigation and AI-powered obstacle avoidance make it smart enough to clean around cables, toys, and pet bowls. Add in the detangling brush and deep edge cleaning capabilities, and it's a top choice for pet owners and large homes. ECOVACS DEEBOT T50 Max Pro Omni. This robot mop is practically a mini cleaning station. It features 18,500 Pascal suction, zero tangle brush tech, and True Edge 2.0, which extends its reach right into corners and along walls. Its mop system lifts 18 millimeters automatically over carpets, so there's no cross-contamination. The Omni station does it all: hot water mop washing, drying, refilling, and dustbin emptying. Plus, the upgraded AIV 3.0 obstacle detection uses AI and a camera to recognize and avoid objects in real time. Perfect for smart home enthusiasts who want a hands-off experience. Tapo RV30 Max Plus LiDAR Smart Robot Mop, a budget-friendly yet powerful option from TP-Link. It offers a 5,300 Pascal suction rating, LiDAR-based smart mapping, and customizable zone cleaning via the Tapo app. The self-emptying dock can hold up to 60 days of dust, and it's compatible with Alexa and Google Home for voice control. It boasts a 97% plus dust pickup rate and features such as auto recharge and resume, which are usually reserved for higher-end models. Ideal for smaller homes or apartments looking for intelligent, efficient cleaning. Roborock Qrevo Curv, designed for serious deep cleaning, the Qrevo Curv packs 18,500 Pascal suction, AI obstacle recognition, and FlexiArm technology that extends the mop arms to get into corners better than most bots. The AdaptiLift mop system raises the mops when carpets are detected, and the hot water mop wash and self-drying dock ensures your cleaning tools are always fresh. It's a great all-rounder for tech-savvy users who want customizable cleaning and strong automation. Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Mop. A solid choice from Shark, especially for those with pets. It combines sonic mopping, scrubs floors at 100 times per minute, with Matrix Clean for complete floor coverage. The Clean Edge tech uses blasts of air to sweep dirt from corners into the vacuum's path, and its self-emptying base with HEPA filtration is a big win for allergy sufferers. With Wi-Fi connectivity, mapping, and voice assistant support, this is a reliable, lower maintenance cleaner for everyday messes. Tired of mopping floors the hard way? Say hello to the smartest robot mops of 2025. From the powerful Dreame X50 Ultra with 20,000 PA suction and edge-to-edge cleaning, to the roborock Qrevo Curv that even scrubs with hot water and avoids tangled messes. These bots vacuum, mop, self-clean, and empty, all on their own. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Full breakdown on the channel? Go check it out now.